Hello everyone, welcome to the course. So guys, in this video we'll be doing all the setup we need for this generative AI. Let's say sometimes actually we'll be using cloud services, sometimes actually we'll be using local setup. So that's why for the local setup, what are the tools and technology we need, everything will be making the setup in this video. So the first tools actually you need, which is nothing but Anaconda. Anaconda distribution. So this will give you actually Python interpreter. So inside that actually we'll be creating the environment, we'll be setting the package, and we'll be implementing our generative AI application. So if you have already Anaconda in your system, it's completely fine. But if you don't have, what you can do, you can simply click on free download and you can download this particular Anaconda in your system. So I already installed Anaconda. So let me show you. So this is my Anaconda, guys. So if you have installed successfully, you will see these kinds of window like Anaconda prompt, Anaconda navigator. If you're getting these kinds of window, that means your installation is completed. And the installation process is very simple. Only just click on next and install the tool in your system. Now the next thing you need, which is nothing but Visual Code Studio. Why we need the Visual Code Studio? Because see, we'll be writing the code, and to write the code I need a code editor, right? That means IDE, integrated development environment. So either you can use PyCharm, either you can use Visual Code Studio, but personally I prefer Visual Code Studio. That's why I'll be using Visual Code Studio in this particular course. Fine. So again, you can install with respect to your requirement, whatever operating system you're using, you can install this Visual Code Studio in your system. Now the next thing we need, the Git. Git is nothing but it's a, let's say, client for the GitHub. I think you know, if you have already familiar with GitHub. So if you want to, let's say, commit any kinds of code in the GitHub, what you need this Git client. And if you install the Git, actually will get one a bash terminal, which is called actually Git bash. So sometimes actually we need this Git bash, because with the help of Git bash actually we'll be executing different Linux command, because going forward we'll be implementing generative AI end-to-end projects. So there I need this Git bash to execute some of the Linux related command. So that's why make sure you have this Git bash installed in your system. Fine. And again, you can install from here. Just click on this button and it will download it. Then you can do the next and you can install this Git bash in your system. So as of now, these three tools actually I need for your local setup. And once this setup is ready, guys, then I think we can start our implementation. So in the next video, I'll show you the hands-on on this OpenAI. That means we'll be accessing different model. We'll be exploring chat, like completion API will be exploring, or completion API will be exploring function calling of the OpenAI. Everything will be exploring one by one. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.